Well, with CCISD's return to the classroom at the beginning of this week, we've been watching COVID case counts. So far, there's nearly 250 reported cases of COVID-19, the majority of those students. The City-County Public Health Department typically handles contact tracing, but with the overwhelming amount of new cases each day, the state has stepped in to help. Well, that's going to change beginning in September when the health district will be solely in charge of contact tracing. And that's something that concerns Health Director Annette Rodriguez.
Before, when you got the B117, you could possibly give it to one or two more people. With the Delta, you could probably easily give it to 8, 9, 10 people. And so again, a lot more contagious. And then when you put them all into a school where they're in a congregate setting, and they're all together in a small environment, there's even more ability for this virus to spread very quickly.
Now, she says the health district is hiring more people to help with contact tracing. So far, they've brought in about 30 and need to hire 100 or 200 more. Well, you've heard that Judge Canales backs the West Oso effort that we talked about earlier. She also says that the County Commissioners Court will be discussing a mandatory mask order. On Monday, commissioners will hold a special meeting, and Judge Canales says she's going to explore the possibility of a mask order for the courthouse. She says that because the judicial branch doesn't have to follow Governor Abbott's executive orders, there could be room to require masks for those who are in courtrooms and inside the county courthouse. That meeting starts at 9 o'clock Monday morning.
And you may have heard about tents being set up outside of hospitals around the state to help deal with the COVID surge. And here at home, Nueces County Judge Canales says tents are available here if a hospital asks for one.
Our Regional Advisory Council always has these tents. We even use them for vaccination and testing. And so, like I said, these tents are welcome at any location because you can have them for just waiting areas. You can have them for testing or vaccination. I like them because it's just a great resource.
The judge adding that she and the advisory council are working to ensure that the tent, along with other assets such as a reserve of PPE and a morgue truck, are at the ready when needed. And Nueces County serving as one of the first of 5 what's called rapid infusion centers across the state. The goal is to treat at-risk people who are experiencing mild to moderate COVID-19 symptoms and keep them out of the hospital. Originally, that center was out at the old Christus Spa Memorial Hospital, but now it's at the Richard and Borchard Fairgrounds in Robstown. Now, to see if you are eligible for this therapy, check our website and look for this story first, as there is a list of things that need to be checked off. You should also consult your doctor to see if you qualify.